Alright, so boom. Please excuse the bonnet and the scarf. We about to take the glasses off because it's about to be lit. Anyways, I like to start with my E.L.F. clear brow and lash gel. And I just apply the brow side to my brows, obviously, so I could get them set and ready to be fleeked. And I just like to fan my brows because I don't like the wet, sticky feeling that the gel gives my brows. So anyways, I like to set my face up with the Daily Hydration Moisturizer from E.L.F. Has SPF in it. PSA, you always need SPF at all times. At all times. So anyways, I want to go back in with my spoolie brush from Eco Tools just to, get them ready. The brows, I mean. And then I just want to go in with the NYX micro brow pencil? Yeah, micro brow pencil. And just spoolie them again. But me doing that was not enough, clearly, because I had to go in with my tweezer because my brows were just not ready for that action. So anyways, back to the spoolie and setting them up yet again. So now I'm going in with the pencil side, and I like to take short but effective strokes. I don't need to use too much because the brow pencil itself actually does a lot, as you can see, and that's why I like it so much. It's just like a natural kind of finish versus like a heavier brow product. So I like to spread out the product throughout my brows with the spoolie side, and then again I'm just gonna go in on the other side doing the same exact thing. Tell me what you want to do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you want to do. So I'm gonna apply this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade. I went with caramel. I'm gonna put that concealer under my brows, so it could give me that I just got my brows done look. A badass bitch that don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you want to do. They shooting in the parking lot, everybody get low. They shooting in the parking lot, they ain't where you wanna go. Now stand by soldier, and let the work the motherfucking ass like I told you. Stand by soldier, and let the work the motherfucking ass like I told you. So I like to blend that concealer with my fingers because I feel like it's just the most effective. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer brush and put more concealer on my eyelids so to prime my lids for the shadow. So then I'm going to go in with my NYX Set It Don't Fret It setting powder, and I'm going to take my beauty blender and put that on top of the concealer so as to set the concealer, and to also give the eyeshadow a more workable base to get blended on. I'm using the E.L.F. Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going in with that light brown and just smoothing it over my crease area.
Thank you, Dolly. By the Barbie, I can admit I likes the party. I spent the grip, I swipes the cardi. When I ice, I'ma drip my pricey garmy. I'm the swami, I feel hip cat. I'm freaky fit that I can rip that. Ice on a wrist like ice a fish jet. When I like with a bitch that's spicy, get that. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you want to do.
Then I'm gonna take that darker brown shade and put it on the outer corner of my eyes.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. Are you a badass bitch that don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do.
Hey yo, P, do that freaky jam on the beat. Busy with that butter shit that won't be. Did you jiffy, did you double do that song sing?
Basically, it's like creating a smoky eye, and it's probably the easiest thing you learn as you go into makeup is that smoky eye. So then I'm going to go into the gold part of the palette, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid.
Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch that don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. And you a badass bitch that don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do.
White's the fur. I'm in the house like nice suburb. Pipes on a pout, my pipe, the purr, Peter piping about my pipe.
Now I'm taking my NYX Fire palette. It's like my favorite palette at the moment. And I'm taking that gold shade. And again, I'm going to put on more gold on my lids.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch that don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks.
So I'm gonna go back in with a blending brush and just blend out that blend out all the shadows so they can look seamless, because you always want your eyeshadow to look seamless. You don't want to look blotchy in this hole.
They shooting in the parking lot. They ain't where you wanna go. Now stand by soldier, and let the motherfucking dance like I told you. Stand by soldier, and let the
I'm going into my Anastasia glow kit, and I'm taking that gold shade Mimosa, and guess where I'm gonna put it? With my finger on my lids, because this is a gold look. This is all about the glow, and that mimosa color, that mimosa shade really does it for me, and it really makes it pop off. So I finally got my lashes on, and I also got the camera back in focus. So I'm gonna take my NYX Angel Veil primer and apply that sweet truth that sweet truth all around my face, all on my face, so as to get ready. Then I'm gonna take the same mineral setting powder and apply it all over my face. I don't know, I think it's just a trick I learned. It helps with the way your foundation lays. I don't know, but it works. So I'm gonna dust that off with my face brush, and this is also from E.L.F, by the way. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Total Drop Control whatever foundation in the shade Mocha, and I got it on my shirt, and I was very upset about that. So, as you would imagine, it drops and it goes on your face, and it got in my mouth as well. So please be careful as to where you put it. Make sure it doesn't drip in your mouth. It was very nasty. So anyways, you just apply it as much as you want all over your face, and then I went in with my EcoTools foundation brush and just blend it out. That's all you do. When in doubt, blend it out. Feel me? And then I applied another layer because I felt like it was too I don't want to say thin, it was too sheer, and then I just mixed that layer in as well, and it got in my brow. I was very upset about that. But there was nothing that a quick little beauty blender couldn't fix, right? I'm gonna go with the creamy radiant concealer again in the shade Amande, and just put that under my eyes to highlight and make me look more awake, as people like to say. And I also just applied it on the higher points of my face. Now this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette may have some fallout, but girl, it is the truth, and it has been the truth. So I go in with that and use the darker shade to contour. Get it all nice and sculpted and snatched. And then I go in with my beauty blender to blend out the highlights.
Like nice suburb pipes on a pout, my pipe the perp, Peter piping about my pint for sure. I'm the mermaid, rhymes the nurse. I'm little red ride the verse. My shimmy shakes inside the shirt. Should a dyke and a gay guy try to flirt?
I got racks to the ATM jam.
So we're back with that powder yet again, and we just apply it under our eyes, and everywhere else we put the concealer just to set it so it doesn't crease on us during the day.
Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks.
And I want to go back with my face brush just to get the excess powder off, so we don't look like ghosts out here.
Tell me what you wanna do. They shooting in the parking lot. Everybody get low. They shooting in the parking lot. They ain't where you wanna go.
So I'm going to go back into that Anastasia palette, and of course we're going to pick the Mimosa shade again because it's honestly the best shade out of the entire highlight palette, to be very honest. So now as you can see, as I'm singing and I'm applying it to my cheekbones, and, you know, just really getting that glow ready. Also deeply in love with this Kaepop highlighter. Why can't I remember the name of it? I don't know. But anyways, it's a gold shade from the Kaepop Colourpop collection. And I also apply that on top of my cheekbones as well. You know, getting that real strobe effect, whatever, going. And then I want to put that on my nose as well. Using my finger and then blending it out with the highlighter brush. Jesus. I like to set my face with the NYX Dewy setting spray. And just as I was spraying it, it runs out. And then I just want to fan my face so the wet feeling that I don't really like so much just goes away, evaporates, whatever it does. So then I go in with the Kaepop liner. It's a dark brown liner. I actually think it's called K. So I like to line my lips with it. And yeah. I'm going to take this NYX Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Abu Dhabi and just put it on the inner part of my lips. So then I could blend it together with the liner. Girl, I was looking like a struggle, but my face was finally done and the bonnet could finally come off. Okay?
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. It don't get.
So this is the final look. You know, I just felt like beating my face or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this, as I have to go to work in like 2 hours, so I don't know if I'm gonna go with this face on. Probably because I'm too lazy to take it off and I put too much work in. So I'm probably gonna keep it in. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys learned something today from your girl. And I will be back for another one very soon. So, you know, we had to switch up the lighting real quick, you know, so you could see the potential and very true glow of this look. Okay, honey? Okay, all right? Had to do it to him, okay? We had to do it to him one time.